Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I DIY 3 different crop tops, plus a hack, so make sure to stay until the very end. It's super easy and no sewing whatsoever. Let's get into it.
You'll need peel and stick hem, recommend fabric scissors because these kitchen ones won't do, and fabric glue. This one is Beacon Fabric Tack. Starting off with this simple black tank top. You want to make sure that it is stretchy. If it is too loose, it may not fit correctly. First, you're going to cut the top in half. Next, take the bottom half and cut about 3 inches. You can use a ruler to make sure it's consistent, or you could just eyeball it. Open it up to expand it, and now it's time for the glue. Fold the fabric from top to bottom in half. Start by applying glue to the edge of the bottom half of the fabric. I like to take my time and do it in sections. Place the top half of the fabric over the glue and gently pat. Keep doing this until that side is complete. This glue dries very quickly, so you have to work at a steady pace. Cut one of the edges on a diagonal and finish it off by gluing it. Let it dry for 15 minutes and turn it inside out. With the other edge, fold it in just a little bit and glue the edges together. You want to make sure you can't see any raw edges. And there you have it, your tie is complete. In order to create a knot, take the tie underneath the top. Make sure the ends are even. And just like that, you have yourself a knotted crop top. It's super cute for the summertime. Since 4th of July is around the corner, I want to make myself a festive top. Starting off with this ribbed fitted t-shirt from Target. I'm essentially cutting it under the armpits. You guys will see I'm struggling to cut it with kitchen scissors, so midway through I buy fabric scissors. It makes such a huge difference. With the bottom half, fold towards you about 4.5 inches. My design teacher used to always say, check twice, cut once. I could seriously hear her telling me this throughout this video. Cut it and there you have your tube top. But we're not finished yet. As you guys can see, I purposely used the bottom half for the top, so then I wouldn't have to hem it. This is where you can use hem tape if necessary, but I ended up not using it at all. Now let's make the straps. With the leftover scraps, I measure about 2 inches. This will depend on how wide you want your straps. I basically am cutting this piece in half. Next, I rip out the seams on both sides. I don't have my seam ripper on me, but scissors do the trick. Just be careful and try not to create any holes. Then, I glue one of the sides and fold it in about 1/8 of an inch. Make sure you are folding it in on the wrong side. Most fabrics have a wrong and right side. Since this is ribbed, it's very obvious to tell the difference. Repeat on all 4 pieces, no need to do the edges. Again, it is much easier to do it section by section. As the straps are drying, let's fix the raw edge of the top. Make sure it is even all around. Apply glue and gently tap to press it down. This might look very strange, but I use bobby pins to place the straps on the top. This gives me a general idea of where I want the straps to go when I try on the top. If you have straight pins, that's even better, but to my no-sew peeps, bobby pins do the job. Make sure to glue the straps from the inside. Then you won't be able to see the raw edges of the straps. Wait until everything dries before you tie the straps together. This turned out so good. I love square necklines and the tie straps, so why not put them together to create this crop top? I can't wait to wear this for 4th of July. For the last crop top, start out with a fitted t-shirt. Just so you guys know, you don't necessarily need a fitted tee. A loose one would work too. First, cut a curve right under the armpits. Leave the top part for the very end since you will need it. With the bottom half, cut off the top part. You pretty much want it to be a rectangle. Keep the scraps since you'll need them for this top. Fold it in half and cut the top layer. This will be your bandeau. I kept the raw edge as is since I like how it looks. With the scraps, I make a small scrunchie and use it to tie the ends together. Make sure you're doing this inside out since you want the excess fabric on the inside. Secure it and there you have it, a bandeau. This top is so unique and I've never seen anything like this before. If you're too lazy and you don't want to cut or glue anything, this hack is for you. I'm talking about the peeps who can't commit and want something they can undo very easily. Grab your favorite sweatshirt and make sure to wear a sports bra underneath. Take this sweatshirt and start tucking it into your bra, all the way around. This will create a cropped look. To all the indecisive ones, you can thank me later.
I hope you guys enjoyed those DIYs. Did you know about that hack? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to see more DIYs from me, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And if you haven't already, make sure to click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!